So far, all the features of the app have been contained in a single screen on a single activity. Splitting up information based on the action your users want to do makes your app easier for you to code and for your users to understand. As we saw just a little while ago, when an item is clicked in the Sunshine app, the app shows a new activity with the weather data. So how do we start one activity from another? Well, instead of having an activity call each other directly, Android facilitates communication using messaging objects called intents. Intents let an app request that an action take place. And that could be anything from starting a new activity to picking or displaying a photo from your phone gallery or making a phone call. So why are we using intents rather than just passing in the class name directly? Well, intents are a little more complicated than that. I like to think of them as envelopes. Each one includes who, or in this case which, component you want to deliver to. There's even room for a small amount of data to be delivered, packaged as extras, which are primitive tuples. That can be read by the application component that ultimately receives and opens the intent. So using this metaphor, an explicit intent uses the name of the target component,